Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did one of these talk through wash days where I just literally, I was about to do my hair, so I decided to pick up the camera and record. So as you see, I'm overdue for a wash day. I can tell when my hair is brittle, when my curls lose their shine and definition, and it's time to fix that. So before I hopped in the shower, I did trim some ends up just to oxygenate my ends. And then I first went in with the Curl Smooth Super Slip Primer. I detangled with that, but for some reason, I did not get that on camera. And then without rinsing that, I'm going in and I'm layering on their Core Strength shampoo. Now, this shampoo is from their Strength Recipe line. And as you see, I'm going to be using products from all of their lines. So I'm going to be using some products from the Scalp Recipe line, some products from their Strength Recipe line, their Moisture line. And I just wanted to show you guys how you can mix and match from the different recipes. So this is another product from their Scalp Recipe line. This is my all-time favorite conditioner. It's the postbiotic calming conditioner. It has like a cooling sensation, and that's because of the amazing ingredients, and you'll see some of the ingredients on the screen. So I first go through with that, and because I detangled with that primer, I don't have to worry about detangling. And I'm not going to rinse this conditioner out, you guys. I am going to layer my deep conditioner right on top. So this is part of the Scalp Recipe line, so this conditioner is okay to go on the scalp if you get it on your scalp. That's another reason why I love this conditioner, and I think it's great for beginners because not all conditioners can go on your scalp. They can cause buildup, and you don't want that. Now, I'm layering my Hydro Cream Soothing Mask right on top of that conditioner. I love mixing my conditioners with my deep conditioners. I feel like this gives me like max conditioning benefits. And as you guys see, I am now curl training. Now, usually when I curl train, I do 2-strand twists, but this is the lazy method. And I have found that it still gives me amazing results as long as I take my time, work in sections, don't do them too big or too small. And it really helps with volume if you direct your hair away from the scalp. So this is one of my favorite things to do to ensure that I'm going to get the results that I want after I style. A lot of you ask me how to know which direction to twist your hair in. I say just listen to your hair. If the twists just come too rapidly undone, try twisting in the other direction. And just remember that this is training. So maybe at first it won't be as easy as later on. I covered my hair with a plastic cap while I finished in the shower, and then I rinsed my hair upside down, and then now it's time to style. For styling products, I am first going to be using a product from the Moisture Recipe line. This is the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream, and this is a leave-in, and this is extremely moisturizing. My hair has been dry lately, so that's why I chose this leave-in. I am then going to brush it through with this brush. This is a wet brush, and I usually don't brush my hair with my stylers, but I've been seeing so many people do it. They get amazing results, and like during curl rehab, I have noticed my hair needs a little bit of extra love and some extra steps. So I'm just doing this. And the key here is to use small sections and to just make sure that you're brushing away from your scalp. And you can separate these chunks while your hair is wet or wait until your hair is dry like I do. Next up from the Strength Recipe line, I'm going to be using the Miracle Shield. This is a protectant spray. This is going to protect from heat damage, environmental damage, mechanical damage, all of the 6 harsh hair aggressors. You guys have seen me talk about this before, and I've just been using it ever since. So I also brushed that through, directed my hair the way I wanted it to go, and then I moved on to the top section of hair. As you see, I'm directing that upward and away, and then I'm directing that bang area towards my face because that's how I ideally would like for it to lay. I'm now going in with another product from the Strength Recipe line. This is the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, one of my favorite foams out there. I just love how lightweight it is. I love to use this for refreshing. I use this for when I'm doing styles, like the list goes on. So as you see, I am not smoothing this in. So after I've already put in all my moisturizing products, I've already laid that foundation. Now it's time to encourage the curls, and I want volume. So I'm scrunching and I'm shaking my roots. To seal everything in and to finish everything off, I'm going in with my favorite gel from the Scalp Recipe line. This is the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. I cannot tell you guys how much I love this gel. And as you see, I am lightly smoothing it over my hair, but I did not use a tight pressing motion with the praying hands motion, if that makes sense. I just lightly glazed it over and then I scrunched. And now I'm scrunching out the excess water and product before I go in to diffuse with the new Curlsmith dryer and diffuser. It's extra large, gets the job done. I have a video on this as well too. This has just been my go-to combo. I just love how this dryer like literally covers half my head at once. And you can use this for the hovering method. You can use this for the method that I use for diffusing. It also has little legs on the back of it, so you can prop it up on the counter and kind of like scrunch your hair. Well, hands-free. It's like a hands-free drying method. So try that out. And so now you see I'm going in with some more of that bouncy strength foam, and I'm separating those clusters that I told you guys about. This foam is great for separating curls. Let me tell you guys that. After I was done, you see, got to scrunch and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch with that diffuser. This is going to start to encourage curls. If you want to hover diffuse at first, you can, but I like to scrunch with the diffuser just to start to release my curl cast and give me the volume I want. So after I did my makeup, I went ahead and did the final touches with their Shine Oil. Been loving their Shine Oil. I either use their Shine Oil or their bonding oil when it comes time to curl smith. Both of their oils are amazing, and don't be afraid to mix the two. You can definitely do that. And then now, you guys, if you know me, you know I'm going to pick out my roots because I'm all about my volume. So here I am just picking out my roots, and don't be afraid. This is not going to cause any frizz because you've already given your hair everything it needs. I gave my hair the moisture it needs. I gave it the hold that it needs. It's got the protein it needs. So I know my curls are going to give me what I need. So here are my final results. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's a huge difference from what I started off with, isn't it? I mean, it's crazy. And I love how much my curls move around. I love how bouncy they are. And I can get my curls to last 2 to 3 days now. So I love that. All right, let me know what you guys think down below.